Hey guys, an update on the Mac 7. Before we dive in the charts, maybe good to say is that Nvidia had a strong report yesterday. I think today is important to see what it will do because the market hasn't been open yet since the earnings report. But looking at all the Mac 7 stocks, they can use some price action to the upside or start a next run to the upside. Boosted by now potentially this Nvidia earnings, this could be an attempt for the Nasdaq here to finally get above this range. This has shown good strength here. Okay, continuous higher lows here. We're back above this point of control. We took these levels here that we had locally here on the 4-hourly, back above this one. Now we will head to the main one, the larger point of control of this whole range. And if we can get above that, it would be really nice. Looking at the S&P, we already aren't, but we did test similar to the Nasdaq, the point of control of the whole range here. We fell back and now it is attempting to go again. So that's why it's interesting today. We want to see this break, okay, to the upside. As long as you don't do that, risk is still there to do one more leg to the downside. That's why I think today is, important. Looking at Apple, zooming out from the April lows, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now then a fifth wave. Okay, inside that fifth wave, you want to see a 5-wave move. And this then could be your wave 1, wave 2, and now, trying to work up again for this wave 3 with the target box, this blue one here, starting at $311.44. Looks good here, okay? To me, this here indicates, look, it's just corrective. We're gonna move up here, especially, if you want to label it a 1, 2, and move down, that move didn't happen. 1, 2, 1, 2 is also very unlikely because this second wave 1 is, not even close to taking the initial wave 1 high. So I'm positive on this one. Level to the downside, if you want one, is this point of control at $269. Okay. As long as you hold that, we can focus on higher. Nvidia CEO stated that their AI has reached a key milestone, boosting business intelligence and cash flow, blah, blah, blah. Fluctuated yesterday to like plus 3% even. We popped above 200, I think. So again, the test is what will it do when the market opens later. And we have this count here, the 1, 2, and now a wave 3, 4, and a 5. Inside this wave 3, another 1, 2 here, and now we wanna, push higher, okay? Get to at least 212 or higher with this third wave in white. Below is the point of control at 187.87 if you want a level to the downside. Google is showing real strength here, okay? I had this pink box for this C wave potentially, a level that we could watch, or like levels that we could watch if we go down here, but it didn't reach this area. It showed already strength here, but you can see this is, can still be labeled as a 3-wave move. The reaction has been good, 1, 2, 3, 4 potentially, and now a wave 5. Although we did hit the 618 here. Or wait, did I take it correctly? Maybe I should zoom in here a little bit more. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Could be a playbook here. Or we could also shift into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Could be both. I'm gonna wait for the decision to see what price does here. If it goes up with a lot of volume, it will indicate that we're in a third wave already, and then I will label this a wave 1. If we now go higher here on lower volume with bearish divergence, then I'll label this a wave 5. This will be your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. In that case, we have these fips here. we did with this wave 4 hit the 618 here. I don't like that. That invalidates an impulse, but it really wicked very directly back to the upside, and this is on the 1 hour chart, so it's like, maybe even if I zoom in just to show you, look, we had like 5, 10, 15, 20, like, yeah, maybe 1 hour below that 618. So to me, still acceptable, also because we have not made the overlap with the wave 1 here. Okay, make a 5th wave now, or make your 3rd wave now, is the objective that we have. And then to the downside, level that you can watch is, yeah, I think this low from yesterday here at 309, or the wick here. We don't want to lose this. Okay, that would indicate us, yeah, trying to visit back this box here once again, and then potentially a WXY with an ABC inside your Y wave. Okay, was a little bit messy, sorry. Meta, yeah, trend line is really giving it all. Like I said, if we lose this and close below it, I think we're heading towards 520, 510, this area. As long as it can hold this, we can label this as a 1-2-1-2 or like a 1-2, but I think that's less likely because this move up was a little bit too aggressive. So yeah, hold this and we can focus on higher. Lose this and we'll focus on this box. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 touch points. Microsoft really deep at the 786 now, taken from this low to this high. The exact labeling here, we have an 86 hit here. That's maybe one thing I should not have deleted already. Okay, so for me, I label this a wave B rather than a wave 2, which would be bearish. So ABC in your wave W, then an X wave here, and then ABC in your wave Y. Very, very aggressive C wave though, but yeah, for a 1-2 setup, you can use all of the fibs until the 886 in my opinion. So it is still valid, even though it's been really extended here. Okay, so locally, we also have the point of control of this range below us at 390.27, but this reaction has been good. Okay, on the 4 hourly, look, we have this low candle with engulfing volume. That's good. How is it on the daily? We don't have the engulfing candle on the daily, but maybe we can make the weekly like that. Yeah, we still have 2 days. This is a very strong wick for now, and the volume almost is already past the last week's volume, so that's good. It will probably make it if it can close it green. Okay, still locally to the downside, you can watch the point of control as a level of support should we go down here. If we lose it, we'll go to the 886 and then we'll have to focus on taking this low. Amazon, very similar, has gone down here. WXY I label it, and then an ABC in your wave Y. Yep, in your wave Y. Inside that C wave, then if we zoom in, we can label it perfectly as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lower low here on lower volume with bullish divergence, if I'm not mistaken. Nope, okay, not with bullish divergence, but still on lower volume. That's what we want to see. And now from the lows, then I label this a 1-2 setup, and now we want to move higher. We have closed here, look, 2 daily candles above this point of control, 205.17, a level to watch to the downside for support. To the upside, also here this wave 2 respected the 0.5 to 0.618 very nicely. To the upside, now we can add a box for this wave 3 in blue. Starting at 224.65. Okay. This orange line here is to invalidate your bearish scenario. which would be a 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 4 5. If we hit this before taking the low, we invalidate that scenario. So 226.70 is, yeah, also an important level on the chart. And then we also have the point of control of this range together with this gap that we have here, this one in light blue and in dark blue at 221.5. And then we also have one more gap here to the upside at 231.71. I think that's that for Amazon. And then Tesla is the last one, I think. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 6 7. What the fuck? I don't know why I did that. Whatever. Tesla, I'd never had any labeling here because it's a very difficult chart. Very difficult, so overlappy, so chaotic. What I did is I pulled fibs from this low to this high because we could say, look, this is probably 1 2 3 4 5 like this, and this now could be a correction. We are above the 0.236, so 407.20 is a level to watch still. If we go down here, and as long as we can hold that, we can focus on higher. I'm gonna keep it simple as that. We have the larger trend line here as well if you needed this gap from this breakout candle here as well at 355.57, and then the point of control of this previous range at 319.05. That's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.